Hey guys, this could be my first ever video on this channel. My name is Manuel Cooper, if you guys don't know from the name on this channel. I'm 21 years old and I enjoy riding BMX. I want to make this channel a BMX based channel. I want to get this channel up and going, do a lot of BMX videos, hopefully, get a lot of different people in the videos and whatnot. Right now I'm in front of my house. I'm going to show you guys my bike. We are going to do a bike check for this first video, and then yeah, for the next video it's probably gonna be some riding. And yeah, if you guys have any comments or anything you guys want me to do in this channel, let me know. Put it in the the comment section and I will take a look at it. And yeah, let's get on with this bike check. Alright guys, so this is my bike. I recently built this up starting this year in January. Started buying all the parts. It's gone through a lot of changes. I'm gonna put pictures and stuff of the changes throughout the many months of this year that it has gone. Currently, let's go through the build right now. So let's start with the front. We have United Dirty Bars. It's someone's signature bars. I can't remember the name on top of my head, but yeah, signature bars. Right here we have Colt Vans grips. I really like these grips. They feel nice, really sticky. Although I haven't been able to ride these particular color on my bike yet, due to something here. We'll get to that. My bar ends are RNC titanium bar ends. I really like those. Really makes the bike stand out. And let's go a little lower here. Forget here, we have a United Supreme fork here with United Supreme wheels front and back. Obviously comes with the United Supreme hubs. I ride Odyssey tires front and back. I am at, I want to say 95, 100 psi on my tires currently. If we go back up here, I have a treble stem, which is going to be changed out very soon. I am actually broke my top cap somehow. I guess because I had too many spacers, because I like to run spacers, but it was a little mistake. I shouldn't have done that. But I have a Fly XL headset. It comes with, I think, a 10mm extender or rise for the forks here. Also have carbon fiber spacers. My frame is a United Incarnate. It's the version 1 frame. I think it is like the nicest frame they've ever made, honestly, in my opinion. Really like it. It's in raw, and so far I am really much enjoying it. If we go further down here, we have a Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket, 25 tooth, with a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain in silver. If we go down here, we have the cranks. They are Verde cranks with Snafu anorexic pedals in red. They are anodized. That's why they sometimes look pinkish color to some people, which I believe they are red, but maybe I am colorblind, or maybe they are colorblind. If we move over here to the seat, we have a Federal tie-dye seat. It's a pivotal seat with a United, I think it's just a United or United Supreme pivotal seat post. I also have a RNC titanium seat clamp. I think that's pretty much it on my bike. Well, I do have United bearings in there, their bottom bracket. And yeah, as far as that goes, it's pretty much it on my bike for right now. I am getting a RNC lightweight stem that's gonna come real soon. But yeah, I have a stem cap coming soon, so you know, we'll have videos up and writing, and you know, we'll be able to film videos and such. But yeah, guys, this is my bike. It's a bike check of 2020. Things will change soon, and you know, maybe we'll have different bikes, and throughout, you know, this upcoming year 2021, hopefully we get some sponsors. You know, we'll have different parts and whatnot. But yeah, guys, this is gonna end this video officially. If you guys enjoyed the video, you know, like it, comment, and subscribe, and I will stay tuned because videos will be coming up very, very soon. Yeah, just leave your comments, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.